Hi, I'm Laura Alpern. I'm an R&D chef here at Home Chef. I've been working in recipe development for the past 5 years. Go-to snack on a hot day. Can't beat nice cold watermelon, the yellow variety, if you can find it. Much sweeter, very delicious. The funniest moment here in the test kitchen, we had a delivery come in with an insane amount of bubble wrap. One chef wrapped it up like a dress and strutted down the runway. We definitely like to have fun here. What do you do if your meal is a bit too spicy? You can temper it with something cooling and neutral, like a dairy product. To properly dice up an onion, leave on this root end, cut off the other side, cut it in half. Here's where you can peel it. Once we've peeled the onion, we're going to make vertical cuts downward, about 1/4 inch apart. You can do one horizontal cut, and now you have all those layers. So when you cut this way, you've got a perfect dice.
Ketchup or Chicago style?
It's controversial, but it's ketchup.
Favorite salad dressing?
Balsamic vinaigrette, gotta let the vegetables shine through.
Lemonade or iced tea?
Mixture of both.